Hi guys, join me as I unbox this total multifunction tool. It is called multifunction because it has so many uses. It can be used as a sander. It can be used as a cutting tool. It can cut wood, metal, and plastics. It can be used for scraping or shoveling. But it can also be used for cutting PVC pipes. Concrete. And metals. Aside from that, you can also buy more accessories for more functions, okay, and it is available and sold separately as shown in the picture. All right, before I open, it is 300 watts for Philippine use. It's 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and 10,000 to 20,000 RPM per minute. The speed is variable. It has a speed control. All right, let's open now. All right, this is the unit. Okay, this is the gearbox here. This is the switch, turn on and off. This is the control, speed control knob. This is the dust collecting pipe. You can connect this to your vacuum cleaner or dust collecting system. And here is where you mount the accessories. Okay, so let's find out what accessories are included in this unit. Okay, of course it comes with a manual, and we have here the instruction on how to mount the accessories. So it is a detailed instruction. All right, and what we have here, this is the segment saw blade for cutting PVC pipes. This is the one being used. And we have here for scraping. This is what they call the flexible scraper. We have here the cutting blade for wood, plastic, and metal. Okay, this is the cutting blade you can use to cut wood, plastic, or metal. And we have here is the one used for sanding. No, so here is the sanding disc. This is the, it is called the delta sanding, and with 3 pieces free sandpaper, no, or sanding paper. We have grit 120, grit 240, and grit 180 free. All right, so let me show you how to mount. So this is also included in the accessories: the washer, the hex bolt, and the hex key. Okay, let's say we put on this cutting blade. So you just put it like this. You see, it's very easy to install or mount. Then you put the washer and put the bolt. Okay, once you have the bolt side, you can turn it with your hand at first, then tighten it with the hex key, just like that. All right, tighten it, plug it on, and switch it on. speed control. Yeah, this is it. The same procedure when you mount the sanding disc and all other accessories. It's very simple to use and it's very useful. Total multi-function tool and a great value of your money. Okay? Thank you for watching.